AIA Cleveland recognizes DLR Group, Westlake Reed Laskowski, with an honor award in the category of architecture for their work on the Tampa Theatre in Tampa, Florida. A catapult for the imagination since 1926, the atmospheric Tampa Theatre is a passionately protected historic landmark and one of America's best preserved examples of grand movie palace architecture. The renovation prioritizes plans for a series of improvements that enhance comfort and accessibility, transforms unusable and outdated elements into revenue-generating enhancements, improves infrastructure, and provides a more authentic historical architectural experience. The design reflects the client's commitment to maintaining authenticity throughout the renovation by employing extensive historic research, interpreting forensic information, and studying literature on and letters from the original architect and his son. Congratulations to DLR Group Westlake Reed Laskowski.
The jury's comments were, "This is a dedicated restoration and update to a magical theater. The architects clearly displayed a loving touch. Congratulations to DLR Group Westlake Reed Laskowski."